XLM family, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Cannot thank you guys enough for sticking around and still supporting the channel. It's been quite some time since we actually sat down together and analyzed XLM, but still I'm seeing XLM comments coming in. People want to see stellar updates, and again, as you guys know, it's really tough to, analyze every single project. But again, if you show me the support I'm looking for, I don't care how long it takes for me to record every single update, I will do that. So let me know in the comments and we will get these updates rolling. But XLM up 11.2%, one of the top gainers right now, which of course is quite exciting. And you're noticing a little bit of a trend playing out. A lot of utility projects popping off, and we're actually seeing utility projects outpacing meme coins, which is interesting. But before everyone starts getting overly excited, we know what has been happening with the markets. We have seen a substantial drop for the markets over the last 1 month. February was, quite a bearish month, but, we're going to take it one step at a time. Really, let's start off by taking a look at what's happening with the price right now. So XLM's price, 31.68 cents, up 11.4% in USD, up 9% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at $9.7 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at $272.5 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So dominance has pretty much been ranging around the 61 to 62%. It's still quite high in the grand scheme of things. If you're looking for an altcoin season, as I've stated to you guys before in several of my other updates, I've stated that dominance is just too high for us to even start discussing about an altcoin season. Obviously, if dominance starts pulling down, we could be having that long anticipated altcoin season. But Bitcoin right now is approaching $86,000 right now. We're actually briefly sitting above $86,000, which of course is amazing to see. But I'm still not buying this. I'm sure if you watch my market analysis updates, you guys are kind of aware as to what's happening. Like I said, we haven't really made an update on XLM for quite some time, but I was talking about if we drop below the 23.6, I was really talking about the exact levels Bitcoin ended up testing, and your boy predicted it while a lot of people were not paying attention to this specific target. But anyhow, obviously, today is a weekend, more manipulation than usual. We have seen a little bit of a bounce, which of course is always nice to see, but we have long ways to go, where actually the price of Bitcoin really needs to be. The 23.6 is the safe zone, in my opinion. If not, I still do believe we can actually drop down to $73,000 before, making our way back towards the upside. But with that said, let's analyze and take a look at what's happening with XLM. So I really want to show you guys XLM on the weekly time frame to really show you guys the entire historic pattern. So, of course, we are seeing a little bit of retracement, for the price of XLM. Something similar happened, of course, back in 2021. We did see a neckline, support around, 26 cents being retested before we started going up. But this time around, it is different. What I mean by difference is, you're seeing a lot of people getting shaken out by meme coins, and, meme coins getting a lot of, attention, which, of course, brings the question whether or not, retail is even interested or even have the capital to be looking for utility projects, because before it would be meme coin category wasn't at the level it is now, but this time around meme coins are being spoken about so much and a lot of people got wrecked. So the question really is whether or not there is still a lot of capital for retail left. Let me know your thoughts down below regarding this. But XLM, in my opinion, is still holding really good. It's holding above that key support line. It's very important. And what's really important here is this was at the end of the bear market cycle, which of course I told you guys once we pop out of this zone, this would end the bear market cycle. And of course after that we went up to the likes of 65 cents, which was amazing to see. But the fact that we have seen major fluctuation for the crypto space, you still have not seen XLM dropping below the 24-cent support line, which again is really nice to see. So from the yearly high, it has dropped about 60%, but of course it is seeing a little bit of a bounce right now, which of course is always nice to see. And speaking about the bounce itself, if you picked it up around 25 cents, you did see XLM go up 26%, which again is amazing to see. Obviously, as of now, right now, you can see this for yourself. We're facing some key resistance coming in the way, and H4 had a great day, due to some major announcements coming up. but utility projects at the end of the day, in the long term, are the ones that are going to succeed, especially the U.S. ones. People are so fast to ignore that, Donald Trump has just gotten elected as a U.S. president. Things, do take some time, but of course, a lot of good things happening for the U.S. based companies. And if you really do see indexes launching, maybe bunch of ETFs, things can really start going, especially the use case aspect. But as far as the native token of XLM goes, we have seen a nice bounce, obviously facing some key resistance. If this is able to break out, I do believe 36 cents could be on the table very, very fast. And of course, breaking out of the 41 cents key resistance would be the best thing that you could ask for. That still is, quite a large jump, about a 31.8% move. But you really want to see XLM sitting above that range in order for us to get excited about, potentially breaking out towards all-time highs. But as of now, we still have a long ways to go. This is my next target around 35 cents if we're able to break out of the key resistance which we're facing. But I'll keep you guys covered. Let me know down below what excites you the most about XLM. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.